The stardom of Salman Khan is not a secret. The superstar got most ardent fan following in the industry who are always eager to get his glimpse. And even Salman never disappoints them and is often seen posing with them for selfies. Whatever Salman does or wears, whether in movies or real life, always becomes a hit and style statement among his fans. And one thing which is already popular among his fans for a long time now is his bracelet with a stone. There is hardly any day when you spot the actor without the bracelet. But do you know the story behind the bracelet? Once Salman Khan himself opened about it during an interaction with a fan and revealed that it was a gift from his father Salim Khan. He said, "My father has always worn this, and growing up, it used to look cool on his hand. How kids play with things, I used to play with this bracelet. And then when I started off working, he got me the exact one. The stone is called Firoza." While explaining the meaning and reason of wearing that stone every time, he further added, "What happens with this is that if there's any negativity coming onto you, first thing, this takes it. It gets veins in them and then it cracks. This is my seventh stone." Meanwhile, the actor who has recently turned 56 was in the headlines a few days back when he got bit by a snake at his Panvel farmhouse. The news left all his fans, friends, and his family members worried for him. But fortunately, the actor got timely treatment and recovered soon. While recalling the whole incident in a conversation with the news agency, Salman spoke about it in length and said, "A snake had entered my farmhouse. I took it outside using a stick. Gradually, it reached onto my hand. Then I grabbed it to release, which is when it bit me thrice. It was a kind of poisonous snake. I was hospitalized for 6 hours. I am fine now." Meanwhile, on the work front, he is currently keeping up busy with his upcoming film Tiger 3.